Good morning, dear students. Students, this is lecture second of surface area and volumes. And in today's session, we will discuss about the 3D shapes that are adjoining. Okay. Suppose students, we have a toy. You have observed many toys that are in market and that are made up of two to three shapes, different shapes. Okay. So by connecting the two to three shapes, we find the surface area and volumes that are required. So students, let's start with the exercise. Here we have exercise 13.1 and question number 3. This is very important question for CBSE point of view. So a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of the toy. In this question, we have a diagram. You can see here green diagram, that is the shape of a toy. And here we have a cone that is mounted on a hemisphere. So students, this is understood that this toy must be hollow from inside. So here the total height of the toy is 15.5 centimeter and the radius is given that 3.5 centimeter. So first find the height of the cone. Here the radius is 3.5 centimeter of the hemisphere. Similarly, this is the radius of cone as well. So total height is 15.5. By subtracting 3.5 from 15.5, we get 12.5. So 12.12 centimeter is the height of the cone. Now students, there is left only hypotenuse, that is the slant height of the cone. So we need to find the total surface area of the toy, and this toy is hollow from the inside. So in this way we have to find the curved surface area of the cone as well the curved surface area of the hemisphere. By adding these two, we get the total surface area of the toy. So let's start. Total surface area of toy is the curved surface area of hemisphere plus curved surface area of cone. And radius of hemisphere is equals to the radius of cone, that is 3.5 centimeter. The formula of curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. So here the radius is 3.5. Square of 3.5 is 3 into 4, we get 12. 1225. This is the fast trick by using the Vedic maths. If you want to find the square of 35, then multiply 3 by a number just greater than 1. So 3 4s are 12 and for 5 we will write 25. In this way, square of 35 is 1225. So in this way students, by solving this, value of pi is 22 over 7, we get 77 square centimeter. After that, curved surface area of cone. Here the curved surface area of cone is pi RL. Here pi is 22 over 7, radius is 3.5 and we need to determine the slant height. Slant height is L. I have already explained you how to calculate the height. Here height is 12 centimeter because the total height is 15.5 and this is the radius, this must be 3.5 vertical. So by subtracting 3.5 from the 15.5, we get the height of the cone, that is the 12 centimeter. Now students, by using the Pythagoras theorem, we can find the slant height. Pythagoras theorem is the L square is equals to H square plus R square. Value of H is 12 and value of R is 3.5 and square of 12 is 144 and 3.5 is, we can write 12.25. So by adding this one and by L square is 625 over 4, square move to the right hand side in terms of root. So we get 25 over 2, that is the 12.5 centimeter. This is the slant height. Now by putting these values in the curved surface area of cone pi RL, we can write pi as 22 by 7 and radius is 3.5 and slant height is 12.5. By calculating this, we get the 137.5 square centimeter. Now students, we need to find the total surface area of toy. So by adding the curved surface area of hemisphere and the curved surface area of cone, we get the answer 214.5 square centimeter. In this way, we have calculated the total surface area of the toy, that is 214.5 square centimeter. Next question is, a cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere can have? Find the surface area of the solid. Students, here we have a box that is the cubical in shape. A cubical box has all the sides, length, breadth, height equal. Students, and this cubical shape block is surmounted by a hemisphere. This diagram, this picture you can clearly observe in the masjid. Okay, students, if you ever have gone to the masjid, then you can see their type of a gumband at the roof of the room. So this is just kind of that figure, and in this question they have already asked, they had asked also, what is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere can have? If you make a hemisphere at the roof, then greatest diameter is equal to the side of the cube. So let's start the solution. The hemisphere can occupy whole of the side of the cube. Hence, greatest diameter of hemisphere is the side of cube is equals to 7 centimeter. After that, they asked us to find the surface area of the solid. So, surface area of solid is equals to area of complete cube plus curved surface area of hemisphere minus base area of hemisphere. If students, we make a hemispherical shape at the roof, and so students, uh, they cut the portion of the base of hemisphere. So base area of hemisphere will be deducted. Here formula of area of cube is 6 into a square, side is 7, so square of 7 is 49, 49 into 6 we get 294. Curved surface area of hemisphere is, diameter of hemisphere is 7 centimeter as we have already discussed, and its radius must be half of the diameter, that is 7 over 2. Now curved surface area of hemisphere is 2 pi r square. By putting the value of pi and r, we get the curved surface area of hemisphere is 77 square meter. So base area of hemisphere is a circle with radius is equals to radius of hemisphere. So base area of hemisphere must be in a shape of circle, and area of circle is pi r square. Pi is 22 over 7, radius is same 7 over 2. So by solving this we get 77 over 2 square centimeter. But we need to find the surface area of the solid. Students, if you don't know what is the shape after adjoining the two 3D shapes, then we can say that solid. In this way, we can write surface area of solid, area of cube plus curved surface area of hemisphere minus base area of hemisphere by putting the values that we have already defined. So, by calculating this, we get the answer 332.5 square centimeter. In this way, hence surface area of solid is 332.5 square centimeter. So students, hopefully all of you get understand these questions are very important for CBSE. So do more and more practice. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the complete video.